I'm going to do is show you how to make an interactive document that you and your students can use while using Zoom. And if I open up Zoom, this is a way that a lot of distance learning conferences will be held. And since this is just me showing you the video, I'm going to go to New Meeting, and it's going to allow me to connect through. Alright, so since I'm recording up in this top right hand corner, it's not going to let me record here, which is alright. What I want to show you is in the chat feature. So you got some other features here. You can invite people and you can manage participants. So in the more button is where you can rename them. You can ask them to show a video. You can mute all. In the share screen, anybody's able to do that. And that's really helpful because I'll show you why. In the group chat, if you go to File, you can add 5 different things. So Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive, Google Drive, Box, and your computer. In the Google Drive option, it's going to prompt you to connect to Google Drive, and I'm going to sign in with Google, and I have a basic document just made up. It's blank. It'll just be for the purpose of making this video. So now this is within the chat, and all anybody has to do is just click on it. And when they click on it, it's going to open up. And if you go back to Zoom, you can share your screen. So this is really nice. If you were to do whiteboard, so let's say whiteboard share, only you can do this. So only you can draw. But that's not too helpful if you want a bunch of people to collaborate at once. So if I go to share screen and I look for document, within this document, this is Google Docs, and you can simply go and share it to whoever you need to, whoever you're working with. And you know you have your normal typing ability, but what you can do is go to Insert and go to Drawing and click New. Now, at first, all you can do is make basic shapes. You can insert pictures if you wanted to. And one way to do that is just clicking on this image right here, insert image, and then you can draw over top of it. You can insert text box, you can insert shapes, and you can have select, otherwise you can go down to line, and you can just click between line, arrow, elbow connector, curve, polyline, or scribble. And this is the one I wanted to show you. So using the stylus on my computer, I was just going to scribble whatever I wanted to. So if I have, I guess I can't use the stylus, I have to use my finger. For some reason it's, oh, there we go. Alright. I guess I have to use the mouse pad. But this allows you to draw, and it looks like it kind of makes the lines as straight as it can interpret. And this is useful if you need to collaborate on something as a class. Let's finish drawing the line here. Alright, so that's what I want to draw. And now you have this image that you inserted. It's handmade, you can create it. This is just one interactive way that everybody on the document. So somebody else in the document can click on here and let these interfaces pop up, lets you know that you're dealing with the drawing, and you can double click, go inside of it, and you can change that if you wanted.